All right, guys, Triumph dirt bike news. Now, it never fails. 3 minutes after I dropped my last video about the Triumph dirt bike, Triumph updated their red button channel with their first video revealing this bike. Ricky told us they would yesterday, and today's video was, all about the chassis. Now, don't be fooled. Not the rolling chassis, just the chassis in its purest form, aka the frame. This red button channel video dropped over there, and it's basically a bunch of guys standing around a table. Bobby Hewitt, Dave Arnold, Ivan Tedesco, Ricky Carmichael, Steve Scuba Westfall. These are the guys that I guess were involved in a lot of the R&D of this Triumph motorcycle, and it was mostly just them talking about the frame. They said it's compliant yet rigid. So it's compliant enough for motocross, but yet rigid enough for supercross. Let's take a look at this frame. So from the best I can tell, it appears to be aluminum here to me. What's weird to me is all the Japanese manufacturers moved to aluminum frames, not because of weight, but because of cost. We all know that, because aluminum frames are apparently more easily welded with robots, and it's less hand welding that has to be done. But these guys go on to talk about how this frame is completely hand welded, which, yeah, is cool, is very bougie and all that, but doesn't that kind of defeat the purpose of the aluminum frame? If you watch that video too, there's a few interesting comments. They know that we're tired of waiting for this bike. They know we're pretty much over it. One of the guys even tells Ricky that he better hurry up and get the second video out because people aren't going to be pumped that this is all they're getting to see today. And you know what? He's right. There was another comment in that video where they said they could have made this bike years ago, but you only get one chance to make a first impression. And that kind of made me chuckle, actually. And if you really want to get annoyed, the next installment of this video is going to show the engine, but not until August 15th. Let's take a look. So this looks like a cylinder head to me. It says Triumph. That looks like the head gasket and the head cover here. So this is what we're going to see on August 15th. I don't know, guys. That's almost 3 weeks away. It just seems like this is the most drawn out thing I've ever seen in this industry. But we'll wait and see. What do you guys think? I'd love to hear your comments, questions, any insiders. Leave it down below. See you in the next video.